Welcome to aminacademy.com. In quantitative aptitude for many competitive exams, let us discuss about number rotation and Euclidean algorithm. Look at here. First, factorial of a number. The factorial of a number is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to that number, represented by an exclamation sign. Suppose 6 factorial can be written as 6 into start with 1, 1, 2, 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. This can be further, we can write up to 5 is 5 factorial into 6 also you can write. Further, up to 4 you can write 4 like this 5 factorial into 4, 6 in simpler form, because 5 factorial gives 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. What is 6 factorial? 2 3s are 6, then 4 6 are 24, 5 into 24 is 120, 120 into 6, 1 carries 720. It is, the value is 720. Now next one, the modulus of the number. In general, you can write modulus of number. In terms, modulus has two primary meanings. First meaning is the absolute value, which is the non-negative magnitude or a distance from 0. For example, minus 5 equal to 5, which means minus 5 can be considered as a negative distance from 0 to left side of the graph. Then even that modulus of that number, actual distance from center 0 to that point is 5. Therefore, modulus of that number minus 5 can be written as 5. Also in positive direction, modulus of sin 5 also 5, which means it exactly gives the distance between those points. Now, therefore, modulus of the generally you can write modulus of x like is equal for two values. First is x when x is greater than or equal to 0, and minus x when lesser than or equal to 0. Next, greatest integer value. What is greatest integer value? The greatest integer value refers to the greatest integer function, also called the floor function, which gives the largest integer less than or equal to a number. For example, the greatest integer value of 3.13 is 3, which means the decimal portion is truncated. Suppose 4.053, which gives greatest integer value is 4. Here 0.532. Here also greatest integer value is 0. Why? Because there is no whole number. This all decimal part only there. So we have to completely truncate that. This is the greatest value of any given number or decimal. Even greatest value of 8 is also 8, because the 8.0 is 8. Next is Euclid division algorithm. The Euclidean algorithm is an efficient method for finding the greatest common divisor, GCD, of two positive integers. It works by repeatedly applying the principle that the GCD of two numbers does not change if the larger number is replaced by its difference with the smaller number, or more efficiently by its remainder when divided by the smaller number. The process continue until the remainder is 0, at which the point the GCD lost non-zero remainder. For example, find GCD of 24 and 36. We'll do the long division. Here, bigger number right hand side, outside is 24. That means first 36 is divided by 24, which gives 1 times 24. The remainder is 12. This, we have to write this one here. Then 24 is divided by 2, divided by 12 is 2. Yeah, up to 0, the remainder, we have to continue. Therefore, the last divisor is the GCD. GCD equal to 12. Like that, even big numbers, we have to continue this algorithm to reach the remainder is 0. Next, some important results from Euclidean algorithm. Look at this. Now, look at important facts here. X power n minus a power n is divisible by x minus a, the factor x minus a for all values of n, or all, and x power n minus a power n is divisible by x plus a, also factor for all values of n. One more, x power n plus a power n is divisible by x plus a for all odd values, or all odd values of n, odd numbers. This is more useful result for finding the suitable answer for the multiple choice questions. Now, in further videos, we'll continue the multiple choice questions solving. If you have done, please subscribe our YouTube channel.